Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we are trying to create our grids. Let's go to the architecture tab, and in the datum, you can go to the grid. Okay, the shortcut for it is GR. But I'm not going to create the grids in the elevation. I'll just go to the floors or the plans. Okay, I'm going to the ground floor, and I'm going to write GR, and it says modify place grid. It shows me that I have line and start and radius, I have center and arc, I have pick lines. Okay, so I will go with the line, and notice that when I want to go to properties panel, I can choose many things, many options. But first, let's not create anything, but let's just click on it. If you click on somewhere, it will give you the tail, not the head. Okay, keep that in mind. For example, I will try to click on this, and then the head will show up. Click on anywhere that you want, just click on it, and again you can just create something like this again. But this time I'm not going to create anything. I'll go to the modify. I want to see my my grid. It's grid 1. Okay, actually, if you want to have the same numbering here at the down, you see this square, just click on it and you have your bubble. Okay, but I'm not satisfied with this one. I'll just click on it, and I want to have uh, one bubble at the top. So when I click on it, I have something else. Instead of going to grid again or pressing GR, I can go right click and go create similar, or you can press CS on your keyboard, CS, but be sure that it's selected, and CS, and now it will create the same grid. For example, I will come back and it will show me the same thing. Okay, I'll come here and again, but I will not create this. What I will be doing is that I will go I can go CS. Oh, 1 minute. CS. Yeah. And I will go with the pick lines. I want the pick lines to be, let's say, 720. Okay. 720. I'll make it 720. And when I go from left to right, it will show me the dashed line in this direction, in the left. When I go from right to left, it shows me on the right. So keep in mind, in which direction you will go, it will create it in that direction. If I want to create it on the left side, I'll go from the left to it. From the left to it. You see? If I want to create from right, I'll go from right to it. Right to left. Okay? I want to create from right to left, and it will be created. Again, I want to have one more, and one more, and one more. Okay, so now something like this has been created. Actually, I don't like to keep it like this more. It's just enough, and I will go to the line. Just click on the line. I want to have it in this direction. What I will do is that I will click it from this direction. Why not in this direction? No, why not this direction? See, if I click on this, it will show me something like this. It will create the tail from this side. I want the bubble to be in the left side and the tail in the right side. And as you notice that we have an offset for this one. So just make it 0, the offset 0, and it will be back to itself. I'll escape it. I'll escape this. Let's escape it or go to the modify. I will go to GR and create from here. Okay, and escape it. As you notice that the 6 is a number. I don't want a number for the horizontal line or horizontal grid. Actually, it is suggests that to have an alphabetic list or word or letter. Okay, so I can go to here, I select it, and when it says edit parameter, I can edit it. But actually there's another way too you can do it, is that by selecting this, go to the name, identity data, I will name it A and apply it, and it will be A. Okay, you see. So I want to create similar CS, and I will go with the pick line. I will add 600, and I'll be here. Okay, something like this is more than enough. And A, as you see, it's A, B, C, D. It followed the alphabetic order. Okay, so let's go to the north. As you can see, it showed the grid, and let's and be be aware that you should drag this till here. Okay, and let's go to the east to see. Yep, everything is correct. And let's go to the 3D, and everything I think is correct. That's good. That's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.